Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe for more videos. In this video, I am going to explain 4 digit into 2 digit multiplication. Please watch the video till end and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to get the notifications. Now let's take first example 4236 into 32. We should multiply 4236 into 32. First, you should divide this into 3 rows. First row you should write 4236 into 32. Draw a line. Second row you should write 4236 into 32. Again draw a line and write 4236 into 32 and again draw a line. We should write this as 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. First step is you should multiply from right to left. So first you should multiply 4 into 3, that is 12. And then write a dash. Remember this is just a dash, not minus symbol. Next you should multiply 4 into 2 plus 2 into 3. 4 into 2 is 8. 2 into 3 is 6. 8 plus 6, 14. So write 14 and again keep a dash. Now come to second row and multiply 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3. 2 into 2 is 4. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 plus 4, 13. So write 13 and draw a dash. Come to third row and first you should multiply 3 into 2 plus 6 into 3. 3 into 2 is 6. 6 into 3 is 18. 18 plus 6 is 24. So write 24 and keep a dash. Now last step is multiply 6 into 2, that is 12. Now you should add these all. First step is you should write 2 as it is and add 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. Next 2 plus 3, 5. 1 plus 4, 5. 1 plus 2, 3 and 1 is left over, so write 1 as it is. So 4236 into 32 is 1355552. Let's take another example 7224 into 42. You should divide this in 3 parts. In first part you should write 7224 into 42. In next part you should write 7224 into 42. In next part you should write 7224 into 42. And at last draw a line. The first step is we should multiply from right to left. So first we should multiply 7 into 4, that is 28 and write a dash. Next step is multiply 7 into 2 plus 2 into 4. 7 into 2 is 14, 2 into 4 is 8. 14 plus 8 is 22. So write 22 and keep a dash. Come to second part and multiply 2 into 2 plus 4 into 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. So write 12 and keep a dash. Come to next row and multiply 2 into 2 plus 4 into 4. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 4 is 16. 16 plus 4, 20. So write 20 and keep a dash. At last multiply 4 into 2, that is 8. You should write it as 08. If you get a single digit, you should write as 08. If you get 6, you should write 06. If you get 5, you should write 05. If you get 3, you should write 03. But simply you should write, if you write 653, it will become wrong answer. So you should write 06, 03, 05. We got 8, so you should write 08. Now we should add these all. First you should write 8 as it is and add 0 plus 0. 0, 2 plus 2, 4, 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 8, 10. Write 0, carry 1. 2 is left over, so 2 plus 1, 3. You should write 3. 7244 into 42 is 303408. Let's take another example. 1636 into 33. You should divide this in 3 parts. In first part you should write 1636 into 33. In next part you should write 1636 into 33. In next part you should write 1636 into 33. And at last draw a line. We should multiply from right to left. So first we should multiply 3 into 1, that is 3. We got single digit, so we should add 0. So 0, 3 and keep a dash. Next we should multiply 1 into 3 plus 6 into 3. 1 into 3 is 3, 6 into 3 is 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. So write 21 and keep a dash. Next come to next part and multiply 6 into 3 plus 3 into 3. 6 into 3 is 18, 3 into 3 is 9. 18 plus 9 is 27. So write 27 and keep a dash. Come to next part and multiply 3 into 3, 6 into 3. 3 into 3 is 9, 6 into 3 is 18. 18 plus 9 is 27. So write 27 and keep a dash. At last we should multiply 6 into 3, that is 18. Now we should add these all. First we should write 8 as it is and add 1 plus 7. 8, 2 plus 7, 9, 2 plus 1, 3, 2 plus 3, 5. We have 0, so if we write 0 also, the answer will be 53988. So no need to write 0. 1636 into 33 is 53988. Let's take another example. 2716 into 14. Now we should write this in 3 parts. In first part you should write 2716 into 14. In next part you should write 2716 into 14. In last part you should write 2716 into 14. And at last draw a line. We should multiply from right to left. So first we should multiply 1 into 2. That is 2. We got single digit, so we should add 0. That is 0, 2 and keep a dash. Next we should multiply 2 into 4 plus 1 into 7. 2 into 4 is 8. 1 into 7 is 7. 8 plus 7 is 15. So write 15 and keep a dash. Come to second part and multiply 7 into 4 plus 1 into 1. 7 into 4 is 28. 1 into 1 is 1. 28 plus 1 is 29. So write 29 and keep a dash. Come to next part and multiply 1 into 4 plus 6 into 1. 1 into 4 is 4. 6 into 1 is 6. 6 plus 4, 10. Write 10 and keep a dash. At last multiply 6 into 4. That is 24. Now we add these all. First step is write 4 as it is and add 2 plus 0. 2, 1 plus 9, 10, write 0, carry 1. 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. 1 plus 2, 3. 2716 into 14 is 38024. Let's take another example. 3227 into 35. Now you should write this in three parts. In first part you should write 3227 into 35. In next part you should write 3227 into 35. In next part you should write 3227 into 35. And at last draw a line. First we should multiply from right to left. So multiply 3 into 3, that is 9. We got single digit, so we should add 0. Write 0, 9 and keep a dash. Next multiply 3 into 5 plus 3 into 2. 3 into 5 is 15, 3 into 2 is 6. 15 plus 6 is 21. So write 21, keep a dash. Come to next part and multiply 5 into 2 plus 2 into 3. 5 into 2 is 10, 2 into 3 is 6. 10 plus 6 is 16. Write 16 and keep a dash. Come to next part and multiply 5 into 2 plus 7 into 3. 5 into 2 is 10, 7 into 3 is 21. 10 plus 21 is 31. So write 31 and keep a dash. At last multiply 7 into 5. That is 35. Now we should add these all. First write 5 as it is and add 3 plus 1. That is 4. 3 plus 6. 9. 1 plus 1. 2. 2 plus 9 will get 11. Write 1 and carry 1. 0 is left over. So 0 plus 1, 1. Write 1. 3227 into 35 is 112945. Let's take last example. 4506 into 24. Now we should write this in three parts. In first part we should write 4506 into 24. Draw a line. Next part we should write 4506 into 24. Again draw a line. Next part we should write 4506 into 24. And again draw a line. First we should multiply from right to left. So multiply 4 into 2. That is 8. We got single digit. So we should add 0. Write 0, 8 and keep a dash. Next multiply 4 into 4 plus 5 into 2. 4 into 4 is 16. 5 into 2 is 10. 16 plus 10 is 26. So write 26 and keep a dash. Come to next part and multiply 5 into 4 plus 0 into 2. 5 into 4 is 20 plus 0 into 2 is 0. 20 plus 0 is 20. So write 20 and keep dash. Come to next part and multiply 0 into 4 plus 6 into 2. 0 into 4 is 0. 6 into 2 is 12. 12 plus 0 is 12. So write 12 and keep a dash. At last multiply 6 into 4. That is 24. Now we should add these. First write 4 as it is and add 2 plus 2. 4. 1 plus 0. 1. 2 plus 6. 8. 2 plus 8. 10. Write 0. Carry 1. 0 is left over. So 0 plus 1. 1. Write 1. 4506 into 24 is 108144. I hope the trick is useful to you. By using this trick, you can multiply any 4-digit number with a 2-digit number easily. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to get the notifications.